friends, today I'll tell you about the Collegium system. What is Collegium system in the Honorable Supreme Court of India, how it was formed and what are its functions. So the Collegium system has been formed by the virtue of judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court. The Honorable Supreme Court has delivered three judgments. It's called three judges case. So two were judgments and one arised out of the opinion sought by the Honorable President of India. So all these three constitute have given rise to the system of collegium. So this collegium system consists of the Honorable Chief Justice of India and four senior most judges in the Honorable Supreme Court who are part of a kind of committee. They will be taking all the decisions and appointments of the judges of the Honorable Supreme Court, and as well as the transfer of the judges of the High Courts, as well as the appointment and transfers of the judges of the High Court as well as the Supreme Court. This is what is the composition is all about. So the next thing, the function, as I already told you, they are responsible for the appointments as well as the transfers of all the judges across the country. Now the decision making is, if there is any dispute in the decision, the majority view will be taken up. That is 3:2 is the minimum. Three judges has to be on one side, that is minimum. That is the majority of 5 judges. That includes the Honorable Chief Justice of India. So now let us assume if there is a case where the Honorable Chief Justice of India along with another senior most judge is on one page and other 3 senior most judges are on another page, then the decision of 3 senior most judges will prevail, because Honorable Chief Justice of India is the head of the roster who is responsible for allotting the roster, that is the subject matter, to the judges in the Honorable Supreme Court. The Honorable Supreme Court functions with around 15 courts, where in each court there will be minimum 2 judges. If there is any constitution bench that has been constituted by the Honorable CJI, then there will be minimum 5 judges or more than that. And if there is any other question that has arisen, substantial question of law has arisen, in that scenario also a constitution bench of minimum 3 judges will be sitting and adjudicating the matter. They will not deliver the entire judgment. They will be responsible to deliver only that answer to the question of law that has arisen. So only one answer will be given, whatever to that question of law that has arisen. Now, as I told you, what is the role of the government in this case? The government has got zero role. Once the Chief Justice of India along the collegium appoints somebody and recommends somebody to the government, they are bound to implement the order. They cannot. The only thing is the intelligence verifications and all, they can get it, and then they can again return the file to the CJI or the collegium. Then if they again reiterate the same appointment, then they are bound by the decision. It is binding on the government of the country, that is government of India as well. So the collegium system has originated by virtue of 3 judges case, and like it is the rule of the land, because under Article 141, 142 and 144, all the orders and judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court are binding in the entire country on civil and judicial authorities as well as each and every person. So that is what the point to be noted. So my dear friends, as I told you about the collegium system, thank you friends.